This is the Tamron 20mm f2.8 lens for Sony E Mount, and let me tell you, 20mm at full frame is pretty wide, and with such a faster aperture of f2.8 is what makes this lens so incredible. I have borrowed this lens from a friend and I'm using it for several days now. In my experience, this lens performs really good. Also, the price of this lens is really cheap. Really, I don't think you have any other option for such a wide angle lens with autofocus and faster aperture around this price point. So the lens is really small and compact. It doesn't have any focus meter. Also, the focus ring is made out of rubber. The lens comes with a tiny lens hood. This hood is not going to remove many flares, but yeah, obviously it's a more of a protection for the front element. And the best thing of this lens is, unlike other wide angle lenses, the front element is not coming outwards. So you can use a filter, which is not very common for this kind of wide angle lenses. So let's talk about the performance. This lens performs really good. The autofocus is tack sharp. The corners doesn't have any vignettes. The focusing is pretty linear. And the sweet distortion of 20mm is just amazing. Also, if you are someone who uses manual focus a lot, then it's perfect for you. The focus ring is so smooth. Also, the minimum focusing distance is just amazing. It has a bit of a focus breathing, but I use it on my Sony A7 IV and it comes with the new focus breathing compensation feature, so it's not going to be an issue for Sony A7 IV users. My final thoughts about this lens is this is one of the best budget option if you are searching for a wide angle lens with autofocus and faster aperture. The output of this lens is really good, and according to its price point, this lens outperforms any other lens of this price point I have yet tested. So if you are searching for a budget wide angle lens, yes, you can obviously go for it. And if you have any question about this lens, let me know in the comment section down below. So that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.